Hi friends, இப்போ நம்ம digital communicationல இருக்க basics MCQ question பார்க்க போறோம். ஒரு introduction பார்த்தலாம். So communication வந்து நம்ம day to day lifeல occur ஆகுது in the form of signals. So signals பார்த்தீங்கன்னா such as sound signals அதெல்லாம் இருக்கு. That is going to be a analog in nature. So இப்போ நம்ம over a long distance நம்ம கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணும்போது அந்த டைமில் we are going to use a wires. Next வந்து the necessity of digitization. Analog signals வந்து for a long distance communication யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது so many losses occur ஆக chances இருக்கு like distortion, interference and other losses like security. So இதை overcome பண்ணுறது தான் நம்ம we are moving to the digital communication. So the signals are digitized using different techniques. Digitized signals பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அது வந்து கம்யூனிகேஷனை வந்து ஒரு மோர் கிளியராக அக்யூரேட்டாக பண்ணும் without any losses. ஸோ டிஜிட்டல் கம்யூனிகேஷன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம zeros and onesன்னு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். That is indicate the high and low values. ஸோ advantages of digital communication பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸோ the effect of distortion, noise, interference இது எல்லாமே ரொம்ப கம்மியாக இருக்கும் இந்த digital signals. அதனால் there is going to be less affected தான். ஸோ digital circuits are more reliable. நம்பகத்தன்மையாக இருக்கும். ஸோ digital circuits are easy to design and also cheaper than the analog circuits. It is more flexible than the analog. Occurrence of crosstalk is going to be very rare in the digital communication. Spread spectrum technique is used to avoid the signal jamming. So combining the digital signals using time division multiplexing is easier than the combining analog signals using the frequency division multiplexing. Next, elements of digital communication. இப்போ நம்ம அந்த source sound signal வந்து source signal யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். source can be an analog signal. எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா sound signal யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். அதை வந்து ஒரு input transducer கொடுக்கும்போது which is going to take a physical input அதுக்கப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அது electrical signal கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணும். எக்ஸாம்பிள் microphone. So this block it consists of an analog to digital converter where a digital signal is needed for the further processes. MCQ questions பார்க்கலாம். Digital communication is dash to environmental changes. It is going to be less sensitive to the environmental changes like temperature. Next question, advantages of digital communication. Answer D, all of the mentioned. So already introduction la பார்த்தோம். So EC multiplexing, it is going to be very reliable communication and also easy for signaling and processing. Next question, what is necessary for digital communication? Answer D, all of the mentioned. So explanation, bit, character, frame synchronization and also precision timing, that is a accurate timing is necessary for digital communication. Next question, what are the disadvantage of digital communication? Answer C, needs more bandwidth and also is more complex and also little performance degradation occurs during analog to digital conversion and also digital to analog conversion, that is vice versa. So degradation means that is going to be poor quality. Next question, examples of digital communication are. Answer D, all of the mentioned, that is ISDN, modems and also classical telephony. ISDN is nothing but integrated services digital network and also LANs, local area network, PCM, TDM, pulse code modulation, time division, multiplexing. Next question, which system uses digital transmission? So though the signal type is analog or digital, the transmission going to be takes place in the digital domain in ISDN and LANs. Answer is C, integrated services, digital network and local area network. Next question, the interval of frequencies outside which the spectrum is zero is called as absolute bandwidth. It is usually infinite. Next question, the attenuation level in bounded power spectral density is 35 and 50. Answer is C. Next question, synchronization available in digital communication are. Answer D, all of the mentioned. that is a symbol frame and carrier synchronization. Next question, digital system includes answer A, better encryption algorithm. So this is going to be advantage of digital system. So already we saw there is a EC data multiplexing and more reliability, but here they given in the B, difficult data multiplexing. So I have to avoid that. So answer A, better encryption algorithm. Next question, analog to digital conversion includes answer C, sampling and quantization. So analog, that is going to be a continuous signal. So after doing the sampling, analog வந்து discrete ஆ மாறும். Discrete என்றது floating point value ஆ இருக்கும், 0.5 0.6 அப்படி இருக்கும். After doing the quantization only, this discrete signal வந்து digital ஆ மாறும், zeros and ones ஆ. And the quantization going to do two process, we can say two types, rounding and truncation. And the floating point value 0.5 0.6 சொன்னதை ரவுண்டிங் பண்ணும்போது ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப் டு த ஹையர் வேல்யூ 1 ஆகும். இதை ட்ரங்கேஷன் பண்ணும்போது அந்த 0.5 0.6 வந்து 0 ஆகும் டு தி பிலோ வேல்யூ. ஸோ ஹியர் சாம்பிளிங் அண்ட் குவான்டைசேஷன் இஸ் தி ஆன்சர்.
நன்றி, வணக்கம்.